What up? It's your boy GeneYes, back at it again with another reaction video, baby. We back in these streets, G. We back in these streets. Quarantined. I'm essential, government essential, so I'm still working. A little bit. But you know we gotta check out Token. He's been coming out with a couple songs. This is the first one I'm gonna check out. Cough, Freestyle. Obviously, it's because of that corona going around. That rona. People coughing around and probably gonna say, look, bro, back up. Give me 6 feet. But before we get started, I know if y'all want to check out more of me or see me more often, y'all definitely gotta check out my TikTok. I'm gonna play a video for y'all right now. Hey, what's up, bro? Yo, what up, bro? You ready? Ready to go? Are y'all ready? Yeah. What you? I know you ain't wearing that. What you wearing, bro? I know you not wearing that. What you mean? You better come go get dressed, bro. We gotta go. Saying my swag ain't up? Hold up. Allah! Calm down, bro. Calm down. Yo, tell me what y'all think. Go ahead to my TikTok, GeneYes6 at on TikTok. I don't know. Holla at your boy. Before we get started, y'all know y'all guys subscribe to this channel as well if you hadn't already. Welcome to the litness. This is your GeneYes channel. Stay safe out there, y'all. That corona is wow, super wild. But let's hit play.
So I'm getting over this fucking cough, man. You tired, damn.
Hey, brand new crib, I love to wake up top at the same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica. Window blacker than 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like lay up. My deal gonna come with no pay cuts. We move independent.
Okay, well, so I was completely wrong. He didn't really talk about no give me 6 feet. That Rona on you. I don't want to get that Rona on me. He just coming with the freestyle, with the coughing in it or whatnot.
Pending, everything I hope. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving me too much. I only love back whenever they don't. Drive me so quickly, my dick feels like some getaway car she stole. I get a repertoire of flows, and I still set the bar with those. Telling my chick I really don't trick, but I get a deck of card hoes. My patience thin, I'm Kendall. Temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a hole.
Hey, okay, out here, bro. Okay, I feel you. I hear you. Let's go. Keep going with that flow. You know what I'm saying? Cough. Freestyle.
I got a home tactic. I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved it right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I begin to UK, grow my traction. Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, Papa Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got a girlfriend, no more attachment. Overread leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket, just so the broken habit. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like.
Yeah, he do exactly what he said. He just kind of spit bars, you know what I'm saying? I'm in one room, hanging out, one clip or one take, video, living room, action, fire and bars.
Braxton ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest, tires passing, I control her vision. Plus I buy her lashes, lashing out, I buy her bag. And this life I imagine, this that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put a bag above us all like it's a carry-on.
Okay.
If she barely even my type, dog, I don't really care at all.
Hey.
I just condition her so well, so think this shit a hair salon.
Hey, yo, this is what's fired by the beat is continuously evolving. The beat is continually going up and up and up, and he's just going up and up and up with the beat. I rock with this.
She let me hit it off the bat, I think she think I'm bare bones. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Off this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Ain't fucking engaging in the war, little bitch, let's get the marriage on.
Hey.
I can only do the freestyle shit when the time get a free to turn the baby keep up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meet up. I'ma get the wife when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down, never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even gotta.
Hey man, I rock with this though, man. He is spitting bars, bro. This is dope. I think this is actually the chorus part of the actual freestyle right here though, but yeah,
okay. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got avoided. Just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford a lawyer, but I got 3 in my fucking corner. I could give you upcuts, couple corners on the.
Hey. Okay. Oh, okay. He just came here to give y'all a couple bars real quick, real quick, and then he walked out on the call freestyle, completely different from what I thought it was gonna be. But nonetheless, it was dope. What did y'all think? Get in the comments, chop it up with your boy. It's your boy, GeneYes.